Hi everyone, my name is Marissa and welcome back to my channel. I'm the crafter behind Missouri Makes, and today is Tuesday, so we are going to be doing a stitch tutorial. Usually I show crochet stitches, but I've been really into knitting here lately, and so I thought that I would show you some knit stitches. And today I'm going to show you one of many ways to increase in knitting. Today's stitch is called knit front and back, or the abbreviation for that is KFB. If you have any stitches that you would like to see in a stitch tutorial for the future, you can always leave me a comment down in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you never miss a video from Missouri Makes. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, to start, this is an easy way to increase. There are many ways to increase, and this is one of my favorites. So, what I'm going to do, my working yarn is in the back. I'm going to take my right hand needle, and I'm going to insert it as if I'm going to knit the next stitch. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull up that loop, but I'm not going to drop this stitch here that I've already knit through. I'm not going to knock that one off yet. I'm going to increase my stitch. So I'm going to take my right hand needle and I'm going to swivel to the back, and I'm going to insert my needle into that back leg. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. There we go. So let me show you again. Insert your needle into that back leg, and I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 stitches from that one, so you've increased 1 stitch into your project. Let's do that again. Take your right hand needle, insert it into the next stitch as if to knit, yarn over, pull up a loop. Don't drop that stitch yet on your left hand needle. We're going to swivel our right hand needle back like that, pick up the back leg, yarn over, and pick up that stitch. Now you have 2 stitches from your 1. Let's do that one more time. Insert your needle as if to knit, yarn over, pull up a loop, swivel your right hand needle back, and insert it into that back leg, yarn over, and split the yarn. There we go. Yarn over and pick up that loop, and you can drop that stitch. Now you've increased in your knit. I hope that this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you never miss another video from Missouri Makes. And I will see you later. Stay crafty, everyone.